This video covers High 5, part of the U-POL professional aerosol lineup. High 5 is a high-performance 1K primer that is compatible with most solvent and waterborne paint systems and is perfectly suited for spot and small component priming applications. High 5 is available in 5 colors, and like all U-POL professional aerosols, it's VOC compliant and meets the EPA 6H rule guidelines for use outside the spray booth. High 5's performance is similar to a 2K primer that is applied with an HVLP spray gun, but without the hassle. High 5 is faster, requires less masking to protect from overspray migration, has no pot life, reduces material waste and cleanup time. When compared to leading industry competitors, High 5's exceptional build and outstanding adhesion are key features that make it the perfect primer for spot and smart repair applications. High 5 directly bonds to bare steel, aluminum, galvanized, and most plastics, including flexible bumper components. As you can see in this tape test over polypropylene, High 5's adhesion to flexible bumper plastics is unmatched. High 5 can also be used in combination with Acid 8, providing an additional layer of rust protection over bare metal. Unlike industry competitors, High 5 comes with 2 tips for maximum performance. The high output round tip generates approximately 2 mils per coat. The flat tip produces a 4-inch wide fan pattern, has 1.1 mil build per coat, and finer atomization for additional control over larger areas. When compared to the 0.83 mil build of leading competitors, High 5 is clearly a superior product. High 5 is fast. The rapid drying resin system resists shrinkage and will easily fill 180 grit and finer sand scratches in just 1 to 2 coats. The result is a reduction in key-to-key cycle time and an increase in profitability on spot repair jobs. After drying, you can wet sand High 5 with 600 to 800 grit sandpaper or dry sand with 400 to 600 grit. Additionally, High 5 is compatible with common automotive solvent and waterborne paint systems. So why should you use High 5? That's easy, performance. It bonds to bare metal, aluminum, and galvanized panels, bonds to flexible plastics, comes with 2 tips, has the highest mill build in the industry, resists shrinkage, is compatible with solvent and waterborne paints, and increases profitability on spot repairs. Simply stated, it's the best premium aerosol you can use. For additional information on U-POL professional aerosols, product videos, and a distributor locator, be sure and visit our website at www.u-pol.com.